The next type of beak which we are going to discuss is the beak of the sunbird. Okay, so sunbird is a kind of bird. If you see the beak of the sunbird, it is long, thin and curved. Okay, look here in the picture. So this is a sunbird. Okay, so this is a sunbird. Can you see its beak? It's long, it's thin and it's curved. Okay, so sunbird has long, thin and curved beaks. Now how does this beak help the sunbird? So sunbird usually feeds on the nectar. Okay, now what is nectar? Nectar is a sugary fluid, you can say, or sugary substance, okay, which is secreted by the flowers. That is, it's a sugar kind of substance which is secreted by the flowers. Flowers secrete or make that sugary substance. Okay, so nectar is also used by the bees. Okay, nectar is also used by the bees. We all know that bees make honey, right? So how do they make honey? They make honey by using the nectar from the flowers. Okay, so now sunbird also sucks the nectar from the flowers. Okay, so sunbird has long, thin and curved beaks. This kind of beak helps it to suck the nectar from flowers. Now the next one, the next type of beak that we are going to study is of hummingbird and hoop. Now what kind of beak do these birds have? They have long, slender and pointed beaks. What do you mean by slender? Slender means soft. Okay, so hummingbird and hoop, they are the birds which have long, slender and pointed beaks. Now the hummingbird also feeds on the nectar. Okay, so nectar, I have told you what is nectar. It's a sugary substance, right, or fluid which is secreted by the flowers. So hummingbird also feeds on the nectar with the help of its long beak. Now hoop, it feeds on the insect. So the hoop pulls out insects with the help of its pointed and long beak. Okay, the hoop pulls out insects from their hiding places. Okay, if the insects are hiding, say under the grass or in the soil or in the tree trunk, wherever. So what hoop does, with the help of its beak, it pulls the insects from their hiding places. So birds like the hummingbird and hoop, they have long, slender and pointed beaks. The hummingbird feeds on the nectar with the help of its long beak. The hoop pulls out insects from their hiding places with the help of its long beak.